Hello everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna go through the third and fourth Arabic letters, which are ta and tha. Okay, ta and tha. Ta with fatha is pronounced as ta. Ta with fatha is pronounced as ta. Example, tabut. Tabut means a coffin. Let's listen to ta at the beginning of the letter. It was ta. Tabut, which means a coffin. Ta with dhamma is tu. Example, toot. Ta with dhamma is pronounced as tu. Example, toot, which means berries. Let's listen to ta at the beginning of the word. It was tu. Okay, toot. Ta with kasra is ti. Ta with kasra is pronounced as ti. Example, tilfaz. Example, tilfaz. The ta here has kasra and it means tilfaz. Ta with sukoon is t. Ta with sukoon is t. And we're gonna go through the previous example, which is toot. Let's listen to ta at the end of this word. It was t. Toot, which means berries. Okay, we're gonna start with our second letter, which is tha. The letter tha. Okay. Tha with fatha is tha. Tha with fatha is tha. Example, thawb, which means a garment. Tha with fatha is tha. Example, thawb, which means a garment. Tha with dhamma is pronounced as thu. Tha with dhamma is pronounced as thu. Example, thu'ban. The tha here is in the beginning. Example, thu'ban, which means a snake. Tha with dhamma is thu. Example, thu'ban. Tha with kasra is fi. Tha with kasra is fi. The kasra is below the tha. Example, thiyab. Thiyab means clothing. The tha here is in the beginning, pronounced as fi, thiyab. Tha with sukoon is th. Tha with sukoon is th. Example, istithmar. The tha here is in the middle. Usually the letters that have sukoon are either in the middle or at the end. They are very rarely at the beginning. Istithmar, which means an investment. Tha with sukoon is th. Example, istithmar.